How to use the Erase command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the Erase command in AutoCAD. The Erase command allows you to remove the selected objects from the drawing. This method does not move objects to the clipboard, where they can then be pasted to another location. If you are working with 3D objects, you can also erase sub-objects such as faces, meshes, and vertices. Click the Home tab. Modify panel. Then, the Erase command. Or type E in the command line and click Enter. Then, you can select the objects that you want to erase, and press Enter again to confirm. Alternatively, you can enter an option, such as L, to erase the last object drawn, P to erase the previous selection set, or Alt to erase all objects.